Now, are you glad to see me? Sure, 25 years ago when we had 300,000 and you invited me back after 25 years, you're over 1 million. I want to know, are you going to invite me back 25 years from now when we get the other 9 million? What an opportunity it is for me to be here and to be with Dennis and to be with all of you. When he talked about this 25 years ago, a very basic and fundamental and simple concept, and that is that health care workers ought to be treated with respect, treated with dignity, and treated with fairness. They ought to be. When my brother was elected in 1946 to the Congress of the United States and came back from fighting in the war in the Pacific after World War II, elected to the Congress, went to the House of Representatives, and they said, "What committee do you want to go on?" He said, "I want to go on the Labor Committee." He wanted to go on the Labor Committee and went down to Washington and was appointed on the Labor Committee and was on that Labor Committee fighting for workers' rights from 46 to 1952. He got elected to the United States Senate, and he went to the United States Senate. They said, "What committee did you want to be on?" In the United States Senate, he wanted to be on the Labor Committee. So from 1952 to 1960, he was on the Labor Committee. Now that's some 14 years. My brother Bob, when he was elected senator from New York, came to the United States Senate. They said, "What committee do you want to be?" He said, "I want to be on the Labor Committee." And he was on for 4 years. Now begin to add that up. That's 18 years. And when I came to the United States Senate, I said, "I want to be on the Labor Committee too." 45 years. And you'll add the 18, that's 63 years. You throw the 10 years that my nephew Joe was in the Congress fighting for workers, and the 12 years that Patrick's been fighting for workers, that means Kennedys have been fighting for labor for 85 years, and we're proud of it. The American people owe you a debt of gratitude. And I want to know, when I'm standing on that floor of the United States Senate, fighting alongside of each and every one of you for a universal, comprehensive health care, will you stand with me? Do you promise to stand with me? Thank you very much.